Good morning student. In this video we are going to deal with the probability NCERT example. Let us see the examples. Example 1. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting head, two heads, getting at least one head, or getting no head. Let's see, in this one example there are three probabilities we are going to find. You know that let H denotes head, T denotes tail. You know that all the possible outcome when the two coins are tossed are HH, HT, TH and TT. Now first case we will discuss here for getting the two heads. Okay, now to getting the two heads there is only one possibility, that is HH. Therefore favorable outcome is HH, that is number of favorable outcome will be 1. Now what is the probability? Probability is the number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Now number of favorable outcomes are 1 and total number of outcome are 4. Therefore probability of getting two head is 1 by 4. Now let's see what is the probability of getting at least one head. Now at least one head means कमीत कमी एक head. That means we can get the more head also, means that that favorable event will be occur for us, means at least one head and more than one head, that is two head, can be for our favorable outcome, Therefore favorable outcomes of getting at least one head are 3, that is HH, HT, TH, that is number of favorable outcomes are 3. So therefore probability of getting at least one head is 3 by 4. Now next is no head. Now favorable outcome for getting no head is only TT, that is both the coins have tail. Now therefore number of favorable outcome is 1. Therefore probability will equal to the 1 upon 4, where we will not get no head, we will get no head. Now let us see another example. It is very easy. If the probability of winning game is 0.3, what is the probability of losing it? Winning game and losing game are the complementary event that already we discussed in the first video. Therefore probability of winning game plus probability of losing game is equal to 1. Therefore probability of winning game plus probability of losing game, say here Q equal to 1. No need to write this much. I am describing this for you details to understanding purpose. This type of question asks for 1 mark, so directly you can write the 1 minus 0.3. Therefore you will get the losing probability of losing game is 0.7. Let us move toward the third example. A bag contains 5 red balls, 8 white balls, 4 green balls and 7 black balls. If one ball is drawn at random, find the probability that first is if it is black, second is it is red and third is not green. Means these three are the different events that for that you have to find the probability. Okay. Now let us see. Now you know that total numbers of ball you have to calculate first. So like this you have to write. Now total numbers of balls are 24, means total numbers of outcomes are 24, and this ball randomly drawing a ball is equally likely, means each event has equal chances of getting. Now first we will see for the black. Okay, now for getting black, as there are 7 balls are there, therefore number of favorable outcomes are 7. Therefore probability of getting black is favorable outcome upon total number of outcome, that is 7 upon 24. Same we can find for the red, as 5 red balls are there, number of favorable outcomes are 5. Therefore getting red, probability of getting red is 5 upon 24. Now third is not green. Now you know that there are 4 colors: black, red, green and white. Now not green means, not green ball means total numbers of black plus red plus white. So total numbers of balls are 24 and 4 balls are green, therefore not green balls are 20. Therefore probability of getting not green is 20 upon 24 is equal to 5 by 6. Keep in mind that you have to write the probability in the lowest form of the fraction. Let us see another example. Card marked with the numbers 2 to 101 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. There are the numbers from 2, means there is a card having the number 2 and also having the 101. Then one card is drawn from this box. Find the probability that number on the card is a number which is perfect square, a number less than 20. These two probability we are going to find. Now there are the numbers from 2 to 101. Okay, therefore since the card marked from 2 to 101, total numbers of cards are 100. Therefore that are only the total numbers of possible outcomes are 100. Now let's see the first one, a number which is the perfect square. Okay, now from the 2 to 101, the perfect numbers are perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. These are total perfect squares lies between 2 to 101. Therefore number of favorable outcomes are total 9 are there, and therefore probability of getting perfect square is number of favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcome, that is 9 upon 100. Let us see a number is prime less than 20, but okay, now the prime numbers which are less than 20 and starting from 2 are as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 2 is a prime number, keep in mind. Therefore total number of favorable outcomes are 8 and all possible outcomes are again 100. Therefore probability of getting prime number less than 20 is 8 upon 100, and you can write in the lowest form also, that is 4 upon 25. Sorry, 2 upon 25. Let us see the another example. 500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data is recorded. The number of girls in family 2, 1 and 0. The number of families having 2 girls are 475. Having only 1 girls, number of families are 814, and the number of families having no girl child is 211. Find the probability of a family chosen at random having only 1 girl and no girl. In this we have, this is the simple example asked for 1 mark generally. Now total number of family 1500, then getting 1 girl. Now number of families having 1 girls are 814. Therefore probability of getting 1 girl, the number of families having the 1 girl is number of families having 1 girl upon total number of families, that is 814 upon 1500, and that is lowest form 407 upon 750. The families having no girls, okay, and the family having no girls are 212. Therefore probability of getting no girl is number of families having no girl upon total number of families, that is 211 upon 1500. Thank you dear children. Now stay home, stay safe and be active.